I'm dancing in the kitchen, but my heart beats out of tune. I'm laughing at the sunlight, though it feels a little soon. I tell myself I'm healing, but the cracks still let me know that even when I'm moving on, some pieces heal slow. And I don't hide it anymore, the joy, the ache, the tug of war. I'm smiling while it rains, letting joy and sorrow rhyme. I'm breaking and I'm blooming at the very same time. I'm learning how to hold the light without outrunning pain. Yeah, I'm doing fine and hurting, smiling while it rains. I'm stronger than I used to be, but softer than before. I'm opening the windows, though the wind still shakes the door. I'm singing with a shaky voice, but singing all the same. It's messy, but it's honest, and I'm proud of what remains. And I don't hide it anymore, the joy, the ache, the tug of war. I'm smiling while it rains, letting joy and sorrow rhyme. I'm breaking and I'm blooming at the very same time. I'm learning how to hold the light without outrunning pain. Yeah, I'm doing fine and hurting, smiling while it rains. Maybe feeling everything is how I stay alive. Maybe storms and sunshine don't compete, they both arrive. Maybe